How to master the art of scalping in Forex. Welcome back to Neuron Markets. In today's video, we'll guide you through mastering one of the most fast-paced trading strategies, scalping in Forex. If you're looking for quick profits and rapid trades, scalping might be for you. Scalping in Forex involves making dozens, even hundreds of small trades in a single day. The goal is to profit from minor price fluctuations, usually within a few minutes or even seconds. Why is scalping so popular? It's fast, exciting, and can be highly rewarding for those who can master it. The key advantage is that scalpers don't have to worry about overnight market movements. They're in and out of trades quickly. To master scalping, you'll need the right tools. First, a reliable trading platform with low spreads and fast execution is crucial. You'll also want to use short time frames, like the 1-minute or 5-minute charts, and tools like moving averages or the relative strength index, RSI, to spot quick trends. A successful scalping strategy includes entering and exiting trades quickly. Set tight stop losses to limit your risk and take profit levels to capture small gains. The goal here isn't to make huge profits from one trade, but to accumulate small gains over many trades. Remember, risk management is critical in scalping. Since you're making so many trades, even small losses can add up. Stick to your trading plan and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on any single trade. To master scalping, practice is key. Start by trading on a demo account, refine your strategy, and develop quick reflexes. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading. It's all about consistency and patience. Scalping can be exciting and profitable, but it requires skill and practice. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Follow us for more insights and strategies at Neuron Markets and start trading smarter.